Today we're building in the H6 Flow RGB. We're putting all on the beautiful X670E STRIX board for 1700X 3D, 2TB NVMe drive, 6000 CL30 RAM. Again, we're putting in the beautiful H6 Flow RGB, and then we're cooling it with the brand new Deepcool MYSTIQUE 360. The Deepcool son of our 4070 Ti Super. Let us know what you think down below in the comments. Ready? 3, 2, 1.